belly, I'm talking to your food. Get in my belly in a tasty kind of mood.
Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to be making a family favourite and really easy to do, Mexican turkey rice. So for your fajita sauce or your seasoning, we've got paprika, we have cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, salt, black pepper. Don't worry, I will put all these in the comments below. We're going to have 2 peppers, one of each colour, some mushrooms, they are optional, but who doesn't love a mushroom? Onion, turkey, mince, and then a lime. You will also need 160 grams of long grain rice and 400 mils of beef stock in boiling water. Let's get to it. Right, for this you're going to need quite a deep dish or pan. As you can see there, you can actually make a stew in that because everything is going to be in the same pan. So I'm just giving a few squirts of my olive oil low cooking spray. Turn me on, she said. And then we're adding the mince turkey into the pan once it's hot. Give that a bash for about 5-10 minutes, let it brown off, then we add the rest. After about 10 minutes that's all nicely browned off, so we add the onions. Make sure you do remove all the excess fat from the turkey before going on to this stage. And then we mix that in for another 5 minutes or so, and then we're back for the mushrooms. Right, after about 10 minutes, soften the onions up. Add the old mushroomies. Give that another good stir. Another few minutes, and then it's time for the colour. Mushrooms browned off, onions looking nice and soft. Now for the pepper. Give that another 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, now we are fajita seasoning. As you can see, I've mixed it all together. Nothing special, didn't think we needed to swatch that. Just use a fork, mix it all together, and then give that a good stir. Another couple of minutes, make sure it's all mixed in. Next, the rice. All you do, doesn't need to be pre-cooked, sprinkle it all over. Give that another good mix, and then add your beef stock. Give that a decent mix, make sure all the rice is covered, bring it to the boil, and then let it simmer until the rice is cooked. It normally takes about 10 to 15 minutes, but once that's bubbling, put it on low heat and then cover it, and then it's pretty much ready. As you can see now, it's bubbling nicely, so we just then reduce the heat, cover it with a lid. I've not got one big enough for this, unfortunately. Tin foil will have to do. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll be back. Pretty much done now. Easy. And that, as you can see, is our Mexican turkey rice. Give it a squeeze of lime. That can be used for later. Cheers. Enjoy.